This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Audi badges. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a heat gun, some plastic pry tools, and a reliable adhesive remover. Make sure your new Audi badges are ready to go. Always work in a well-ventilated area to ensure your safety and comfort throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful badge replacement. Now, let's remove the old badges. Gently apply heat to the old badge for approximately 30 seconds using your heat gun. This softens the adhesive, making removal much easier. Then, carefully use a plastic pry tool to lift the badge away from the car's surface, taking care not to scratch the paint. Finally, use an appropriate adhesive remover to clean any sticky residue. Proper surface preparation is crucial for a lasting bond. Thoroughly clean the area where your new badge will be placed, removing all dirt and debris. Next, use rubbing alcohol to eliminate any remaining wax, grease, or oils. This step ensures maximum adhesion. It is vital that the surface is completely dry before you proceed with applying the new badge, so take your time. Finally, it's time to install your new Audi badges. Carefully align the new badge in its desired position before pressing it firmly into place. Apply consistent, even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. For the best results, avoid washing your car for 24 to 48 hours after installation, allowing the adhesive to fully cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.